Hello, my name is Chris Crossan with AVS Systems Inc. And in this video, we're going to be comparing different cameras in different nighttime environments, also giving you the lux rating of each situation. We're going to be featuring our newest line of high-resolution day-night cameras, our SENS line, which incorporates the Sony high-sensitivity CCD along with digital slow shutter with mechanically switching IR cut filter. Our first environment is a warehouse at night. In this environment, there's only two light sources, the exit sign 100 feet away and the flashlight. With the flashlight on, the lux level is less than 0.05. Here we're comparing four different cameras, our AVS SENS camera with an IR, without IR, a regular digital slow shutter camera, also branded by other manufacturers as Intensifier or Starlight, and a regular color camera. The AVS SENS camera without IR and the normal digital slow shutter camera are both set with a digital slow shutter level of 2 times. The AVS SENS camera with IR is a great combination for indoor environments as shown here, for two main reasons. First being the SENS camera has a Sony high-sensitivity CCD chip, which absorbs more light than the regular Sony X-View or SuperHAD chip. Second is that infrared works well in most indoor environments where there's more items for the IR light to hit and bounce back into the lens of the camera. Even with a light level at less than 0.01, you can still see 100 feet away. Now with the flashlight turned off, the light level goes down to less than 0.01 lux. And as you can see, there's a clear difference between the SENS camera and the regular DSS camera. Now in our next example, we're going to show you 4 different light examples in an office where we're going to have a monitor, a candle, a cell phone, and lastly with all the lights off. With the lights turned on in the office, the light level is over 500 lux. And again, we have 4 different examples, 3 different cameras, and a view of what you would see with your bare eye. And we have 3 different light sources, a monitor, a candle, and a cell phone. With the monitor turned on, the light level is at 0.5 lux. If we turn the monitor off and just have the candle and the cell phone light, the light level goes down to 0.08 lux. Both the AVS SENS camera and the regular DSS camera have a digital slow shutter level of ×8. And as you can see, the AVS SENS camera absorbs more light with its high sensitivity CCD. Now with the candle turned off and just the light from the cell phone, the light level goes down to 0.01 lux. By now the digital slow shutter camera, there's no image, but still an image with the AVS SENS camera. To get an image with a regular digital slow shutter camera, the digital slow shutter level would have to be drastically slowed down, which would considerably increase the ghosting or the tracing effect. Now we turn off the cell phone, and the light level goes down to less than 0.001 lux, and still you can get an image with the AVS SENS camera. Our last example is at a parking lot at night where the light level is at 1 lux. Here we're comparing 4 different cameras, a SENS without IR, a digital slow shutter camera, an infrared camera, and a regular color camera. Here I want to quickly point out that even though the IR camera has a technical rating of a distance of 100 feet with the IRs, it still has a darker image than both SENS camera and the digital slow shutter camera. The reason for this is that the infrared light that's being shot out from the camera needs to bounce back into the lens of the camera for more light to be produced. In an open environment like this, there's less items for the IR light to hit and bounce back into the lens of the camera compared to, for instance, an office or a warehouse situation we saw earlier. So something to keep in mind with IR cameras in an outdoor environment, normally they're not going to have the distance rating as they say in their specs. Here we're going to slow down the SENS and the digital slow shutter camera. And there is a ghosting and the tracing effect, but considerably more on the digital slow shutter camera, so much that the thief is washed out of the image. And then on the SENS camera with a high sensitivity CCD, the digital slow shutter level does not have to slow down as much, therefore less of the ghosting or tracing effect, and the thief is still caught on video and not washed out. With this video, I hope you have a better understanding how our SENS line of camera works, along with digital slow shutter and IR cameras in different nighttime environments. If you do have any other questions about our products or our SENS line of cameras, please give us a call at 1-800-691-1034. Thank you for watching.